Did you know one of the worst war crimes in history happened just days before peace was declared? In April 1945, American forces were closing in on a small German town called Gardelegen. SS officers panicked. They had over 1,000 concentration camp prisoners and needed to hide the evidence fast. The guards told the starving prisoners they were being moved to safety, herding them toward a large barn. The prisoners, desperate for hope, followed willingly. Once everyone was inside, the guards slammed the doors shut and nailed them closed from the outside. They poured gasoline around the wooden building and set it ablaze. Screams filled the air as prisoners clawed desperately at the walls, trying to escape the flames. Some managed to dig under the barn walls, only to be shot by guards waiting outside. When American troops arrived hours later, they found over 1,000 charred bodies. The massacre happened just 5 days before Germany surrendered. Evil doesn't stop, even when defeat is certain.